Hello and welcome once again. I am Daniel Campbell, and today I'm going to be talking about accessing the values of an array in C++. So to begin, we're first going to talk real quick about how to initialize an array. To initialize it, you type, the syntax is int, and then your array name. I'm going to just call it A for array, and then something like that. And then if you want to get a specific number, you can put in like 5. Then you can also, if you want to assign values right here, you can put equals and then this curly bracket and then give it 5 values. So 5, 6. We're going to leave this one. No, we're going to go ahead and give it a value. Well, yeah, we're not going to give it a value. 7 and 8. Well, I guess we've given it the value of 0. So, we've got our 5 values. So what this does is, let me draw my little box. So you've got the array A, and in it you've got these 5 slots. You've got A0. And that's kind of the weird thing, is that it starts out with 0 instead of 1. So when you're assigning values, you got to be careful about that. It's going to be 1 more than whatever actually you want. So if you want the first one, it's going to be 0. If you want the second one, it's going to be 1. So here we go. So this one has the value assigned of 5. This one has the value of 6. This one right now has the value of 0, but we're going to change that. So, bump this down. Okay, to assign a value, you're going to type in the array name, so A, then you're going to give the slot you want to assign. So we're going to go A2, and we're going to say that equals, and then we're going to give it a value, so 75. So now A2 equals 75. You can also make this a variable. You can assign a variable this value. So if I were to say x equals A2, that would give x the value of 75. Yeah, so now I'm going to take you over and show you guys a program. I've already got this all typed out, so don't have to worry about that. So right here, we've got an extra colon, semicolon. Right here, we've got our array A, and it's got 5 different values. We've also made variable x equal to the value of A2. Now right now, I'd like you to just stop what you're doing. Think, which number is A2? Is it 165, 2, 56, 0, or 1203? We also had to initialize the variable in and initialize the result and put that to 0. So for the in, we made a for loop, and what we did was we add this for loop right here adds up all the numbers in the array and then prints out the result. So we've got cout, and this will print out x, the value of x. And so whatever you thought x is, whatever you guessed it was, remember that, as we're about to show you. And then we've got, it prints out the results. So we also have up here the include IO stream, which is you have to have in every C++, and the using namespace, which allows us to just do cout and not std : cout. Also take note that we have the commented out ends telling us where the end of our for loop and the end of our main loop is. Okay, so now let's go ahead and sorry, I had some technical difficulties there. So if you said x is equal to 56, you would be right. And as you can see, it the for loop adds up the result and then prints out the result, and it's 1426. Let's do some quick math right quick. That's 18. Yep, that's right. If you want to add it in the calculator and check me, you can. Well, thank you for watching, and this is how you access the values in an array.